You're an engineer or a CAD designer and want to be more efficient in your daily use of SOLIDWORKS. Don't worry, we've got just the tool for you. myCADtools is a SOLIDWORKS Gold partner product with over 50 SOLIDWORKS tools to optimize your daily tasks. Let's take the example of David, a CAD designer, and Brenda, an engineer. David struggles with his daily use of SOLIDWORKS. He has to itemize and print out hundreds of parts and drawings per project. This frustrates him because he'd rather spend that time on design and innovation. Brenda works with her team to create 3D models and assemblies in SOLIDWORKS. Brenda spends 15 hours creating and saving each drawing per project. She'd rather spend that time making sure that designs meet customer expectations. This makes her so grumpy at work. MoveApp's myCADtools is the solution for both David and Brenda. myCADtools is a SOLIDWORKS Gold partner product with over 50 SOLIDWORKS tools for CAD designers and engineers to help them optimize their daily tasks and become more productive and efficient. myCADtools helps you to save time and improve reliability, boost productivity and promote innovation, and develop your specific business requirements. David found out about myCADtools by Googling how to print out mass documents in SOLIDWORKS. That's how he discovered myCADtools EasyPrint. David uses EasyPrint to automate his printing parameters and save his default print settings, saving him 3 hours of repetitive tasks per day that he can now spend on design and innovation. During coffee break, David tells Brenda about how myCADtools made his SOLIDWORKS use much more efficient. That's how Brenda found out about myCADtools Smart Drawings that changed her work life for the better. With Smart Drawings, Brenda can choose drawing templates from predefined views and options for each document and automatically create a bundle of drawings from a SOLIDWORKS assembly, saving her 15 hours of repetitive and unproductive tasks per project. Brenda spends those 15 hours training her team of engineers, suggesting they all use myCADtools Select Material to help them choose a material from SOLIDWORKS libraries and apply it to an active document. Both David and Brenda are more productive and efficient at work thanks to myCADtools. Brenda's relationship with her team is better now because she spends more time training them and helping them to be more productive and efficient.